afternoon, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. Open your course book. Open your course book at the page number 26. The lesson is Miku the parrot. Miku the parrot. Do you like birds? Do you like birds? Birds and istama? Which bird do you like? What does a bird can do? The birds can fly. The birds can fly. Can you fly? Can you fly? No. The birds has the feathers to fly. The birds have feathers to fly. Okay? Miku the parrot. The parrot is a bird, no? The parrot is a beautiful bird. And what is the specialty of parrot? It can talk. It is a talkative bird. Parrot is a talkative bird. It can talk, no? Its name is Miku. Parrot name is Miku. Okay? Now come to the lesson. I am Kesar and Kushi is my sister. I always wanted to fly like a bird. How about you? Did you ever want to fly like one? Can you fly? Who are the Kesar? I am Kesar. Kesar is a brother and Kushi is his sister. Kesar is a brother name and Kushi is a sister name. Both are brother and sisters. Who are Kesar and Kushi? Kesar is brother. Kushi is his sister. Wala sister parenti Kushi. Kesar want to fly. The birds can fly, no? Like that, Kesar want to fly. Would you like to fly? మీకు ఫ్లై చేయడం ఇష్టమా? కేసర్ కంటే ఇష్టం. కేసర్కి ఫ్లై చేయడం అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. Do you like? Can you fly? Can you fly? No, we can't fly. Come to the lesson. My sister Kushi and I saw Piku at our friend Krish's place. He was a bright green parrot with black round eyes. He was full of mischief. When someone came near to his cage, he would do all his tricks, jump up and perch, swing the little bell and somersault like a gymnast. The main thing about him was he talked. Piku, Piku, a baby. Piku, Piku, a baby. Piku is an artist, he would say by the way of introduction. Since then, we always wanted to have a parrot of our own. Here, Kesar and Kushi. Both are brother and sister, no? Kesar is a brother and Kushi is a sister. Kesar and Kushi always goes to Krish house. Krish is Kesar's friend. Kesar's friend is Kushi. Kesar wala friend enti? Friend peru Kushi. Kesar's friend is Kushi. Okay? Every day Kesar and Kesar's friend is Krish. Sorry. Kesar's friend is Krish. Here, Kesar, brother, and Kushi, sister. Friend name is Krish. Krish is friend. friend of Kesar. Krish is friend of Kesar. Kesar friend పేరేంటి? Krish. Krish has a pet parrot. Krish has a pet parrot. His pet parrot name is Piku. Krish has a pet parrot. Krish ki ఒక pet parrot ఉంది. దాని పేరేంటి? Its name is Piku. Its name is Piku. Piku is Krish pet parrot. Okay? It is looking so nice. Bright green parrot with the black round eyes. The parrot is so sweet. It is green in dark green in color. Whose parrot? Adeveri parrot cheppandi? That is Krish parrot. Krish pet. Krish pet is a parrot. Its name is Piku. Piku is Krish pet. Piku is Krish pet. It is dark green in color. అందంగా డార్క్ గ్రీన్ కలర్లో ఉంటుంది అది. అండ్ హ్యావింగ్ బ్లాక్ రౌండ్ ఐస్. ద ప్యారెట్ ఇస్ సో బ్యూటిఫుల్. ఓకే. ఎవ్రీ డే Kesar and Kushi. Every day Kesar and Kushi both went to Krish house to see the parrot. Kesar and Kushi both will go to the Krish house. Why they are going to the Krish house? To see the parrot, to talk with the parrot. Parrot is able to talk. Do you know? Parrot is able to talk. Parrot మాట్లాడగలదు. అవునా? That's what to enjoy with the parrot, to see the parrot. Kesar and Kushi both go to Krish house to see the parrot. It is a beautiful bird. When they went to the Kesar's house, it may made a mischief. Mischief అంటే ఇట్స్ అ బర్డ్. నో ఇట్ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ద మేనర్స్. నార్మల్గా ప్యారెట్ ఏంటిదిరా? బర్డ్ కదా. దాని మేనర్ నేర్చుకుంటుందా? ఒక దగ్గర కూర్చోవాలి, సాఫ్ట్గా మాట్లాడాలి అని దానికి ఏమైనా తెలుసా? తెలుస్తుందా దానికి? ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ బర్డ్. నో ఇట్ డోంట్ నో ద మేనర్స్. ఏం చేస్తుంది అది? ఇట్ మే జంప్ ఆన్ అదర్స్. ఇట్ మే ఫ్లై ఆన్ అదర్స్. అందరిపైన వాలిపోతుంది. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ he may jumps up and down. When he opened the case, when Kushi and Kesar went to see the parrot, it may jump up and down in the case. Case lo paiki kindiki dungutundi. Okay, it may make round in the case. It may mischief, make dirty in the case. It may do the gymnastics. Gymnastics means a circus. The circus people may do the circus, no? Like that, the parrot did the circus tricks. ఈ ప్యారెట్ సర్కస్ ట్రిక్స్ అన్నీ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే. దెన్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు టాక్ టు దట్ ప్యారెట్, మనము ఆ ప్యారెట్తో మాట్లాడదామంటే ఎలా స్టార్ట్ చేస్తుంది తెలుసా? హౌ ఇట్ విల్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్. ఇట్ విల్ ఇంట్రడక్ట్. మీరు నార్మల్గా మీకు చెప్పమంటే ఏమంటారా? You will say your name. My name is, I am so, I am studying this class. You can say like that, no? My father is, he is my father, he is my mother. You can introduce like that. I am studying in Birds of Flower School. ఇలా మీరు ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ చేస్తారు కదా. మీ గురించి చెప్పమంటే, ప్యారెట్ గురించి చెప్పమంటే ఎలా చేస్తుంది తెలుసా? అది పీకు పీకు ఎ బేబీ, పీకు baby. Piku is an artist. Understand? It may introduce like that. If you ask for the introduction, Piku మాట్లాడమన్నామనుకో ఇలా స్టార్ట్ చేస్తుంది. If you give a chance to talk the parrot, it may start with words of Piku a baby, Piku is an artist. Like that, it may introduct like that. It is an introduction. దాని గురించి అక్కడ చెప్పుకుంటుంది ఏమని, Piku is an artist. It may interrupt like that. Okay? Whenever Kushi and Kesar are playing with the parrot, every day they are playing with the parrot, no? They thought that they too own that parrot. They want to buy a parrot. Every day they are playing with the parrot, no? రోజు ప్యారెట్తో ఆడుకుంటున్నారు కదా, కాబట్టి వాళ్ళకు కూడా ఏమనిపిస్తుంది, they want to buy a parrot. Okay? Next, what happened? We will see next. One fine weekend morning, we went to the pet market. The parrot section was a feast to the eye. There were white, grey, crimson and gleaming blue birds of all sizes. Some were quick and chirpy, others slow and full of self-importance. We circled around the cages, unable to make up our mind. Then we came upon a cage full of lovely greenish blue parrot babies. One of those birds was our Miku. They wanted to buy the parrot, no? They wanted to buy a parrot. Who wanted to buy a parrot? Kesar and Kushi. Kesar and Kushi wanted a parrot. That's what they, in the morning, in the morning, they went to a pet shop to buy a parrot. Understand? Both who, Kesar and Kushi, both went to a pet shop to buy a parrot. Both went to a pet shop to buy a parrot. They wanted, Anma, in the pet shop, all the pets will be. In the pet shop, a pet shop lo oka parrot unnadi. All the pets. All different types of pets are there in the pet shop. అన్నీ ఉంటాయి. మనకి ఏ పెట్ కావాలనుకున్నా అన్నీ అక్కడ అమ్ముతారు. ర్యాబిట్ ఆల్సో అవైలబుల్ దేర్. Different types of animals and birds are sell in that pet shop. Okay, so they went to the pet shop now. They want only the parrot, no? They want only the parrot. So they went to a parrot section. They separating on the sections only. If you want a parrot, you have to go to one section. మనం డ్రెస్సులు కొనుక్కోవడానికి వెళ్తే చిన్న పిల్లల కింద పైన పెద్దవాళ్ళే ఆ సెక్షన్ ఈ సెక్షన్ డిఫరెంట్ సెక్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా. షాపింగ్ మాల్కి వెళ్తే అలాగే సేమ్ ఈ పెట్ షాప్లో కూడా ప్యారెట్ సెక్షన్ వేరే ఉంటుంది. సో దే వెంట్ టు ఏ ప్యారెట్ సెక్షన్. When they went to a parrot section, there is a feast to their eyes. Different types of parrots are there, different colors, in different sizes and different shapes. A lot of parrots are there in the parrot section. Understand? When they went to the parrot section, there are lot of parrots. There are lot of parrots. When they see the parrots, they're enjoying. They're enjoying a lot. And they look good for each and every case. They make a round around the parrot section. They make a round about the parrot section. A parrot section చుట్టూ ఒక రౌండ్ వేశారు. They didn't know what they want to buy. వాళ్ళు అసలు ఏది కొనుక్కోవాలో వాళ్ళకు అండర్స్టాండ్ అవ్వట్లేదు. Because lot of parrots are there. They don't want which one they want to select. Amma, if you go to the fancy store, if you go to the shopping mall, lot of dresses are there. At that time we may become crazy which one we have to buy. Lot of dresses అన్నీ నచ్చేసాయి. You like all. To select one you may become crazy. Understand me? అన్నీ బాగున్నాయి అనుకో, ఇప్పుడు ఏది కొనుక్కోవాలా అని నువ్వు can't understand. Like that, here also all are beautiful. All the parrots are beautiful and cute. They also are becoming mad. Which one they have to buy? Finally, they went to one of the case. There, greenish blue parrots. Green and blue. They went to a parrot section, parrot case. There, different size of parrots are there, and the color is green blue color. Greenish, lovely greenish blue color parrots are there. Okay, among those greenish blue parrots, they selected one parrot. Their parrot name is Miku. Understand me? They have selected one parrot. Finally they have selected. ఎలాంటి సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నారు? గ్రీన్ బ్లూ ప్యారెట్. లవ్లీ గ్రీన్ బ్లూ ప్యారెట్ they have selected. Its name is Miku. Their parrot name is Miku. Okay? Their parrot name is Miku. They have selected one parrot. I could fill up pages writing about Miku's beauty, but looks don't count for much in friendship, do they? I loved him because he was so nice and sweet. The minute his case was opened, he would hop onto my shoulder and nibble gently at my ear. Soon Miku learned to do everything Piku did. He left us in aware with his pranks. There was only one flaw about him, sadly. He would not talk. He used to spend hours calling his name, but the answer was always a soft tweet. Okay, finally they bought a parrot. Its name is Miku. Its name is Miku. They have taken the parrot to their home. They have taken the Miku to their home. Every day they are playing with the parrot. And the Kesar liked the parrot a lot. Loved the parrot. Kesar loved the parrot a lot. He wrote many pages in his book about the beauty of the parrot. Understand me? Kesar wrote many pages. About what? About the beauty of the Miku. మీకు చాలా అందంగా ఉంటుంది కదా, దాని గురించి మీకు అబౌట్ మీకుస్ బ్యూటీనెస్, అబౌట్ మీకుస్ బ్యూటీనెస్ Kesar wrote a lot of pages in the book. He used to write. Okay, they're enjoying, they're playing with the parrot, they are spending their lot of time with the parrot. Okay, when the cage is opened, when they open the cage, when Kesar opened the cage, soon after it jumps on Kesar's shoulder. Understand me? When Kesar opened the cage of the parrot, Kesar parrot, Kesar the cage open చేయగానే ఏమవుతుంది? Kesar jumps, parrot jumps on Kesar's shoulder. It jumps on Kesar's shoulder. Kesar shoulder పైన జంప్ చేస్తుందంట. జంప్ చేసి ఏం చేస్తుంది తెలుసా? ఇట్ మే నిబిల్ ఇస్ ఇయర్, తన చెవిని కొరుకుతుందంట. ఇట్ మే నిబిల్ Kesar's ear. That is the habit of the parrot. They are very happy with the parrot. The Miku will do all the things what the Piku do. Piku every parrot adi. Piku is Krish parrot, no? Piku is Krish parrot. Their parrot name is Miku. Miku did all the works. How the Piku did. Piku ఎలా చేస్తుందో అన్నీ చేస్తుంది మీకు కూడా. But one is very sad to us because that is Miku won't talk. Piku is able to talk, no? Piku మాట్లాడుతుంది. ఏమని మాట్లాడుతుంది? Piku, Piku baby. Piku is an artist. It can talk like that, no? మాట్లాడుతుంది కదా Piku, but the Miku won't talk. That is that made the children too sad, worry. They tried and tried to. Kesar and also Kushi tried a lot to learn speaking to the parrot. దానికి మాట నేర్పించడానికి చాలా ట్రై చేస్తారు. బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ టాకింగ్ లైక్ అ Piku. Miku is not talking like Piku. Piku లాగా అసలు మాట్లాడదు. They are trying to speak her name, but always it is saying wait. The parrot is beautiful but not talking. Always is talking, saying it's noise. Wait. Always it is making noise, but not talking like Piku. Understand me? Miku is not talking like a Piku. Piku laga asalu maatladadu. So that's what the children are worrying. Okay, next what happened we will see. It went on so till one day we made the fatal error of leaving a window open. When we got back, there was no trace of Miku. We rushed out and searched for high and high. For him, high and low. He didn't come to our call. It was night already. It was night already and was slowly getting cold. Then it started raining. We pictured our parrot sitting wet and miserable on a tree somewhere. Crows cooed. We shuddered to think what they could do to our helpless pet. Every day, the children are enjoying with the parrot. They are spending a lot of time with the parrot. One evening, the days went on. the days went on. One of the day, when it was evening, we came back from school. One evening, the children, Kesar and also Kushi, came back from school. They came back from school. School నుండి వచ్చేసారు. They came back from school. Then they found that the window is open. The window is open. Window open అంటే కనబడుతుంది వాళ్ళకి. So they rushed inside. What happened inside? They rushed into the room. They found that the parrot was missed. Understand? After coming back from the school, they saw the window is open. They rushed inside. When they rushed inside, they found that their Miku is missed. So they searched everywhere. They searched high and also low, and also they searched for their Miku around all the surroundings. But Miku was not identified. It is going to dark. They didn't hear the noise of Miku. They didn't hear. It was missed somewhere. It went somewhere. Understand me? They called, they cried, they searched everywhere about Miku, but there are no signs. They didn't see Miku. Okay? Now it is going to dark. It is looking rainy. Then also their pet parrot is not coming back. Searched everywhere. They are worrying about the parrot. They cried. They cried and cried. They are looking at the trees. If they see the parrot on the trees, they searched on all the branches. Nowhere. The Miku was nowhere. ekkada కనబడలేదు. The crows are cooed. Cood అంటే కాకులు అరుస్తున్నాయి. Nowhere. It was raining. They are wetting in the rain and shivering. Shedded means shedding. They are crying. They are crying for the sake of their Miku. Miku was missed. Miku went somewhere. It was missed. So the boys are crying. Sorry. Kesar and also Miku both are crying. The children are crying for the parrot, but it did not come back to their home. Okay? Today's class is completed. Tomorrow we will complete our lesson. Okay? Bye.